Derek with Eliminex. Got all these like Victorians. It's like a little gingerbread village in Matawan. So here's a company that did insulation cleanup, but they did the pest proofing because they don't do trapping of squirrels. They're not licensed to do the trapping. So they do pest proofing, and they just like kind of loosely put on some lightweight screen or wire, and it's catching, you can see where the squirrel nesting materials against the wire and how they're getting in again. They're just kind of prying that up, and they just squeezing in on the bottom. And so they're infesting the attic again. It looks like just in one spot. So, and can either leave that as is, or oh, there's another nest. And or pull it down and redo it, make it a cleaner. Here's the part where they've repatched a couple times. They're just squeezing in. Wow, they did the whole thing. They did the whole roof line. Oh boy. Wow, somebody really gave it a go. Somebody really put in effort. Holy, you can see all the nesting material inside. Oh man. You see all that in there. Oh boy. That's from all the squirrel nesting in the corners. Ah boy, they stapled everything. That's really high up too. They did a lot of effort. They went through a lot of effort to pest proof this, but it's failing. I wonder if they're leaning over and installing it. They had. No, I don't know. Yeah, they're probably leaning over, installing it from up high. I can't see them just doing it up on a ladder and doing it. It's possible. It's not a very level yard for a 40-foot ladder. Oh, they got like animals. They got like a skunk or groundhog in there. Oh boy. This is worse than I thought. I have to undo that. I have to take that all off and fill that gap in properly. All right.